Choose a calm and quiet place just for you, where you won't be disturbed for this little while to just relax. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling up your stomach, and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you exhale slowly, let all the tension leave your body and float right out. Again, take a deep breath through your nose, filling up your stomach, and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you exhale slowly, feel the relaxation moving through your body, and feel like your body is getting heavier and heavier. Enjoy the way that feels. Again, take a deep breath through your nose, filling up your stomach as much as you can with fresh air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you exhale slowly, your mind becomes clear and calm. Nothing to worry about, just peace and quiet. Now concentrate on the here and now. Bring attention to your body and focus on yourself at this very moment. Feel the connection with yourself and be aware of the movement of your body as you inhale and exhale. Breathe deeply and just let yourself be in the moment. Feel the peace within you. There is no time and space. There is just here and now. You are one with this moment. The feelings that you chose not to experience don't just disappear. They embed themselves in muscles and tissues. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the relaxation moving through your entire body. Every muscle in your body is a deep rest. Now that all the muscles in your body are fully relaxed, all the feelings escape and all suppressed emotions are released. Just let all the feelings escape and all the suppressed emotions will be released. They are no longer part of your body. They are no longer part of you. Now, visualize a deep blue energy at the crown of your head. Entering and going down into your body. Visualize blue energy and feel it flowing through your body all the way down through all of your organs, bones, muscles, and tissues. Breathe deeply and let the blue energy carry with it all those feelings and emotions that are being released from your body. Breathe deeply. Focus on the blue energy flowing through all of your body, washing away and carrying all the released emotions and feelings on its way, going all the way down, reaching your feet and beyond, entering the ground with all those suppressed emotions and feelings from your muscles and tissues being absorbed into the ground. Your body feels lighter as all of the blue energy has completely and fully entered and dissolved into the ground with all the suppressed emotions and feelings. Now concentrate on the center of your chest, your heart chakra. Breathe deeply, and with every breath that you take, feel the energy in your chest expand. As you exhale, this energy spreads throughout your entire body. Think of what makes you happy or what you are grateful for. Breathe deeply and feel the warmth in your chest expand and spread throughout your body. And let the energy of love spread in your body. Now you are vibrating to the frequency of universal divine love. You feel light. You feel love. You are light. You are love. And so it is. Stay in this state as much as you want. Once you are ready, open your eyes.